Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss the next portion or the next part of your Active English Workbook chapter 1, that is making question using shall or will, that we have done in the earlier classes, and today we'll do the next one, that is the last portion of the chapter, that is finish the sentence using like. So today you'll be learning use of like. So come back to the board. Finish the sentences. Finish the sentences using like. Using like. So like আমরা কিভাবে ব্যবহার করব? So already you have got the answer in your book, that is he swam like a fish. So you have got two words, that means the words are like this: fish. Here you are getting fish, and here is swam, S-W-A-M. So with these two words you have to use like. Okay, he swam like a fish. He swam. So take a subject, he, then swam, S-W-A-M. He swam like a fish. He swam like a fish. So she সাঁতার কেটেছিল কার মতো? একটা মাছের মতো। So এখানে আমরা লাইকটাকে ইউজ করলাম, he swam like a fish. So come back to the next example. The next example is you are getting two words, that is baby, and next is cried, C-R-I-E-D. So how can you make the sentence? That is, the sentence is the little girl. That means the little girl, you are getting these words, the little girl, already written in your book. The little girl cried. The little girl cried. ছোট্ট মেয়েটা কেঁদেছিল। কার মতো কেঁদেছিল? Cried like a baby. So you have to use like after cried. The little girl cried like a baby. Okay. So here you are getting these words like in this way. Is it okay? Do you have any problem? I think no. So come back to the next word. You are getting the word bird, then sang. Okay. So the sentence will be, the sentence starts with Maya. The sentence starts with Maya. So Maya sang, Maya then sang, use like a bird. Maya একটা পাখির মতোই গান করেছিল. So this is subject, this is verb, this is subject, this is verb, and this is adverb. So we are using like, and this is also the object. Okay, or other words. Clear? So in this way তোমাকে like শব্দ ব্যবহার করতে হবে. So আমরা কি শিখলাম? আমরা শিখলাম use of like. So finish the sentence using like. আমরা লাইকটাকে কিভাবে ব্যবহার করব সেটা আমরা এখানে শিখে নিলাম. So number 4 and number 5 you will do in your exercise book or in your copy. Okay, thank you so much. Please do it and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you so much.